video, you're gonna learn about how to hack location using Python. Let's create a new project in PyCharm and let's give it a name and click on create. It takes few seconds to load up the virtual environment. Press Command A and backspace if you are a Mac user, and if you are a Windows user, press Ctrl A and backspace. On the bottom left, click terminal and give the command pip install phonenumbers, and it will take few seconds to install. The package is downloaded, and let's just import the package using command import and the package name phonenumbers. Let's store the number in any variable. In my case, I'm giving my variable name as number. We'll ask phone numbers to check whether the number is valid or not, and we'll pass the number. If the number is valid, it will show true, and if the number is not valid, it will show false. Let's check the broadband connection of the number. We need a package called carrier. So from phonenumbers, we are going to import a package named carrier. So we're gonna ask the carrier to give the name for the number. It will show to which broadband connection the number belongs to, and we're gonna print the variable. And let's run the program. Now to find the location of the number, we're gonna import a package from phonenumbers named geocoder. And we will ask the geocoder to give the description of the number. That means it will give all the details of the number. Let's print. And we need to give the number, and we should mention the language. So in my case, my number belongs to Bangladesh. And to find the time zone of the number, let's import time zone package from phonenumbers. And we are going to ask the time zone package to print the time zone for the number. If you made it till the end, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button to show your appreciation for the insane amount of time that goes into making these. Thank you.